Finishing off our treatment with Megan, we're going to be going over some talk chin. This is an old TCM method used by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners to shock the muscle, sending neuromuscular signals into the brain. If you've been following the series, then you know that we did some cupping therapy, we've done some gua sha therapy, we've also done some trigger point therapy, especially working with the iliacus, the quadricep muscle group, and a little bit of the psoas lateral. In most cases, this is usually my final modality that I'll give to the patient, just again to get a nice shock into the neuromuscular system, giving the muscles a little bit of a break from all the trauma that we've caused earlier. This might look a little aggressive, but I assure you it is not. I'm going pretty light, and the tools I'm using are pretty forgiving as well. Post session, I usually like to take the client through the orthopedic testing again, just to see where the range of motion is. And now in this case, we're going to compare the left hip to the right hip. As we can see, it's not fully stretched out. I do like where it's at right here, but she deserves more work. Also, I don't want to do more work just because we did a lot, and I don't want to put the body through too much. Although I will have her go through some extensive range of motion on her own, this will involve some exercise. Also, as you can see, we're doing some foam rolling just on the quad, just to give the circulation a little chance to kind of take a breather. Her corrective exercise will include squats with banded over her knees. I'm going to put the bands at least 1 to 2 inches above her knees, corrective squats, and then we're going to be doing glute bridges with band work as well. So while Megan's rolling out here, I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate all of subscribers, everyone that has liked these videos, comment on these videos, and also I want to say that this post was probably 1.5 years ago, and I'm just catching up with all the YouTube stuff. So thank you again. If you guys could share, like, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, whatever it takes. I'm gonna be posting bi-weekly, so we'll get some more content for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and we're out. Thank you.